keeps the client safe. It may not be the safest for someone's wallet, in terms of, because the attorneys, like the ladies that I referenced there, they pay at this time, last I checked, I think it was like $4,000 to $8,000 to set up their estate planning documents. Like, okay, um,
Like,
but what's the alternative?
you don't have to go to somebody like that charges that much, right? I mean, yeah, but you know, do it the right way, and that, that's our opinion, and it should be yours too.
Exactly. So every state in the country is different, and a lot of this is going to be based on. Oh, that was it. That was the thing I was going to talk about. Now, Daryl asked a question which brought me back to my line of thinking. Insurance agents can and do estate planning. I have no problem doing estate planning, but that's planning the estate as far as what do you want to have happen, but it's not filing the documents. I am not going to file the documents. I'm not going to even help you fill in the blanks because
In
it looks
fact,
like I could
when you
be influencing those answers.
yeah, and in fact, when you're sitting down with somebody doing a fact find or whatever you want to call it, those are the kind of questions that should just come up naturally. Who do you
Mhm.
want to leave this money to? What's your purpose for this? What's your plan for whatever? So those are things that should come up naturally. But then make sure, as an agent that's doing their job, make sure that the person that is saying these things actually talks to somebody that can do this for them, and make sure that it's done correctly and legally, so that way they don't have any issues when inevitably something does happen, and then you don't have to worry about there being a mess, and you certainly don't worry about it being your fault and then being sued.
Yeah, exactly. But when's the lawsuit going to happen? It won't happen until the people have died. They realize, oh man, there's an error here, and I didn't get the house or whatever asset it was supposed to be. So, yeah. So again, it's all part of the conversation. And the only official advice I give is you need an attorney. However, my thoughts are that it should look like this. And I might even provide some specimen documents, right? I've got some great online resources. So, for example, if I'm saying you're going to need a buy-sell agreement so that your child, your adult child who just got their MBA, has been working in the company for 3 years, they can take over the business. But if you don't have it in writing, who's going to take it over? There's going to be a whole lot of confusion. So here's what that document looks like. But so the only official thing is talk to the attorney. Here's what this looks like. But if you need something else, let me know. I have specimen documents, but I'm not going to file them for you. I'm not going to complete them for you. This is just an example of what they look like. Send it over. Let them do the work. Because that's it. That's what helps keep me out of trouble.